All right, today is March 25th, and I just tested the download of Agile Infoways, and that's the previous video. This is having deleted that app completely and reinstalled it on Apple, these three, and Android on these three from the App Store. So it does allow selection of tables. So it's not the network, and it reflects on other phones. It's something wrong with the app version that you sent. So as you can see, I can select tables. This is the Android and Apple Store version that's currently on the Android market. So I did this to wonder, is it a problem with the network or is it a problem with the app version that you sent? So obviously the network works. It's a version with the app version that you sent. Thank you.